Hello. So what I'm going to do today is actually walk you through what I do real time on cleaning my paintbrush. So I have this paintbrush here that's pretty dirty. The first thing I do is just wipe it clean with a paper towel. Then I have this soap that I attach to a bucket of water, and I clean my brush out, use the soap, clean it out again, and then wipe it. It's not clean yet. I'm going to take you to my bathroom that's off of my studio, and I'm going to show you how to really clean your brush. So here I am in my bathroom that I just use for cleaning my brushes and all. And here's the brush that I have. Now, the first thing I do when I get in here, look at that. I, once again, take water, wipe it off, and then I use some inexpensive shampoo that has some conditioner in it. Now, if you can look, it kind of turns pink. I don't know if you can see that. It's a slight pink to it. I like using shampoos that are white because then I could see. Now I got it all soaked up. I take my comb all the soap through it again. And if the edges are messed up, I use a toothbrush to clean my paintbrush. So this is for the small paintbrushes. For the bigger paintbrushes, I have this tool, and I found this, and this you could use to go through the paintbrush. Now, it's all clean through. I'm going to go ahead and rinse it off real good, get my handle cleaned up. This is one of my more expensive brushes that I had for a while, so I try to take good care of it. Now, I do it again. Like I said, the white soap really helps a lot. Put it in my palm, and I clean it again. And this time, it's actually staying white. Sometimes I have to do this 3 or 4 times. Now I'm pushing really hard. Your paintbrush will not die because you're cleaning it. It will die if you don't clean it. So go ahead, rinse it off, get it nice and rinsed off. It does take a while, and this is a small brush. Then, after I do that, I take my fingers, reform the bristles, and lay it down on my drying tray. I have a lid, so it's at a slight angle, because I don't want water to go I don't want water to go into my brush right here, because it'll ruin it, even the good brushes. So put it at a slight angle and let it dry. So I hope that helps you. It does take a while for you to clean your brush. Don't hurry it up, even the inexpensive brushes, because you don't want to buy brushes over and over again. So until later, I hope this helps you. Bye-bye. Love you guys.